Today, well, welcome to Markiplier Game Show. We're gonna give you a little prank for the first day of school if you need so, or during the school. So first thing, put on my jacket. Okay, so you're going to school, right? And if you want to prank somebody on the first day of school, you can. So I got my jacket on right now. So get a bottle of water that has water in it. You can wash out the perfume and put some water in it first. If you want to, you can make your sleeve like so poofy. Like sometimes the girls will like to wear like poofy jackets and stuff. So stuff this in your jacket here. Nobody will notice that you have anything. And you literally go like that, right? And you have that right there, like you have something in your hand. So you're like, and be like, you just sneeze on me. Okay. So I'm gonna go prank one of my parents. I don't think they're gonna like this. Hey, Fall. Just outside for a little hike. Making a video. So that's my father. Really? It's called the fake sneeze joke. Hey guys, let's go inside. Sorry guys. So now I ruined that moment because I actually didn't sneeze on my dad. Now he's going to be smelling like a woman. Just like the smell of fragrance. And also when I was outside, somebody was taking out like a bag of their clothes or something. And they almost fell. If you didn't hear it in the background, it might be in there. It might. Okay. So I hope y'all subscribe to my channel, Markiplier Game, G-A-M, not E-G-A-M. If I do make a complaint, not a complaint, I mean a repeat, then G-A-M-E. Okay, guys?